Hello, today we will be looking at DNA and specifically the bases in more detail. Last lesson we discussed what DNA is and the structure of DNA. It is important that you understand that video before you watch this one. In the last video we described and discussed the 4 different bases. We know that adenine and thymine pair together and cytosine and guanine pair together. The order of these bases in a gene are vital. To quickly add, a gene is defined as a section or strand of DNA. The order of bases could look like AT, GC, CG, TA, TA. Or they could look like GC, CG, TA, GC, AT. Remember, regardless of the sequence, adenine and thymine will always pair together and so will cytosine and guanine. The sequence of these bases in DNA determines the order of amino acids. Amino acids are known as the building blocks of life. There are 20 types of amino acids inside of us. 3 bases would be called a codon. 1 codon, so 3 bases, determines 1 amino acid. For example, adenine, thymine, and cytosine would be called a codon and would make up 1 amino acid. This is known as the triplet code. The order of amino acids, which are produced by the order of bases, then determine the type of protein produced. Body proteins could consist of hormones or antibodies, which are essential to our insides. What we just discussed is known as the genetic code. The genetic code is used by cells to make proteins such as antibodies or hormones. It is clear that this genetic code is crucial for all organisms. As I previously mentioned, the order of amino acids determine the protein produced. Sometimes there can be a random change within these amino acids. This random change is known as a mutation. A mutation can cause a physical difference in an organism. A mutation could be albinism, progeria, or cystic fibrosis. We will look at cystic fibrosis in more detail in a future video. These mutations could occur for no apparent reason. However, they can also occur from being exposed to lots of radiation or consuming lots of tar inside of cigarettes. Now we know how vital these 4 bases are to us, as the sequence of these bases determines the order of amino acids, which then determines a specific protein, which makes up who we are. Thank you for watching today's video. Remember to ask any questions in the comment section. I hope you're all enjoying your holidays and have a happy new year.